token shit.
We're all here for a love of the game. At least I am.
Making messes? That's my specialty.
Hala! Hindi ako nakapagpalit! Oh my god.
This is your champion.
Losing isn't fun. That's why I don't do it.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello.
Oh.
Finally.
Chas. Si
What's up?
Raiken. Si Raiken,
Hello.
si Chas.
Ay,
Hello po.
Chas, long time! Oh my god!
sorry, bronze. Oo, busy.
Parang last year pa yung ulit.
Oo nga eh.
My god.
Paano nga ba mag-Apex?
Oo nga eh. Ako rin eh, yan din yung tanong ko eh. tagal ko rin hindi naglaro na tayo.
Attention. First blood.
Nagpatak na naman ako sa Warzone, kaso na
Talaga?
Shadowban ako.
Na ano?
Shadowban.
Oo, ano yun? Ba't may ganun?
Ano, nasa Shadowban ka kapag para...
Masyado kang malakas.
Oo. Nakala nila
Oh.
hacker ka. Charot. Hindi,
Grabe.
kapag na-spam report ka, ganun.
Grabe.
Bobo lang yung mga nakaano namin.
Nakakalaban or pwede ka report ng teammate?
Kalaban.
Ah, okay.
Nemesis here. It's everyone's enemy.
Ano pong meta na
and so
barel?
am I.
Ayan, si Raiken, tanongin mo. Hindi ko alam.
Ha?
Ano daw
Anong-
meta?
Havoc talaga.
Havoc Hemlock.
Grabe.
Sa SMG Lods, ano?
SMG? Walang gumagana na SMG. Double assault ngayon.
Seryoso.
Parang yun din yung nakita kong gamit ni Hal.
Hemlock
Havoc
Havoc.
eh. Oo.
Wala eh, na-nerf yung ano eh. Na-nerf yung 30-30 eh.
Or 301, basura pa rin.
Uy, maganda naman.
In progress.
Sino nga lang gagamitin ko?
Hindi pala ako habon. Tan ka lang yung ring.
Sige.
Bakit kasi ito yung legend ko? Hindi naman ako marunong gumamit. Tinry ko lang kanina.
Yun.
Alter.
Unlock.
Napalitan.
Care package being delivered.
Care package.
Please examine your map.
Care packet.
I have found the next location of the ring.
Laser sight here. Level 3.
Ayun, Havoc.
I have.
Laser sight here. Level 3. The laser
Daming lasers eh.
when you hit fire. I'm fencing. Fence them in. Fence them out.
Hanap kalaban.
Appointed.
I'm fencing. Anyone passes through here? We'll know.
Ano palag na ba agad?
Tara.
Half the squad's left. We can end their wounds. Got a level and an upgrade. Holding. Why? I've upgraded.
Walang energy magdala. Ay, kasi yung map na to.
Supplies here. I'll share.
Ayoko rin ito eh.
Ang laki sa pubs.
Ay, naku. Pero looted dito.
Copy.
Fence deployed. The fence is complete.
Wala talaga tao ah.
Random tayo. Ayun. May shots pa yun.
Ay,
New kill leader appointed.
Gago layo niya.
There's a new kill leader. That's a target on their back.
Scared.
Extended heavy mag here. Level 3.
Where do we go?
where is people? People still. Laban kayo guys! Sus ko naman!
Ayaw nila sa atin.
Yun.
Double heavy kaya ako.
Round 2. Beginning ring countdown.
Feels that charge in the air.
Meron dito sa ano ah.
We're sticking
Somewhere here.
Ah?
watching that
Yeah.
fight
Ah.
back.
Replicator being delivered.
Look, it's raining replicators. Backpack here. Level 2. You're only as good as your gear. And
Pambait ko nga to. Teka.
I'm destroying a possible respawn beacon.
Tumitingin lang ako dito.
I'm watching for
Ito lang. Ayan. Ayan, go po try na.
Firing!
Dito kayo sa taas. Ay! Pinulog!
Ay, sorry!
Fence them out. Fence in position.
So yung zone. Ah, wala pa pala.
Lang.
Nakapula, men.
Lang. Di tayo mana ng grenade dito.
Fence in position. Anyone pass this one here?
Doon sa truck meron ah. Flex.
Ba't nag-push yun?
Reloading.
Dito.
Healing ako.
Almost downed one.
Ay, gagi. Mali pa.
Down one.
Ah, dito yung isa.
Coming.
Ay, gago! Down.
Nice one.
Ayan, nalagay po sa lifeline. Gamitin ko yung ano, teleport mo.
Recharging my shield. Don't worry about it.
Ay,
Lifeline 150.
nakatap ng isa.
Ay!
No, nice try.
Mali, dapat kasi na... Ah!
Di talaga ako marunong mag-passive na legend.
Isa pa. Hindi tayo makakano.
Tawa yung pinindot.
Ha?
Yung kay... yung dating ginagamit ko na account. Si Kuchi Monster. Ano, rank na ba yun?
Hindi ko nga, wala pa nga. Nasa pa ba yung access nun?
Tingnan ko sa chat history natin.
Sige nga.
Haba niya ito.
Ma-access siya rin sa EA yan, Chas.
Ay, hindi. Steam.
Ayun lang. Awits. Hindi. Negats. Naka-ano siya eh. EA daw.
Okay. Pwede pa try ng bagong legend.
Sige, sige. I don't like it at all.
Talaga?
Hindi lang ako marunong.
Puro clips lang nakita ko sa kanya.
Play by the rules. Also, yeah.
Ready up. It's go time.
This is your champion.
Si Chelsea magpapalit na daw ng internet. Finally.
Sounding reveille. I'm the jump master.
After so many years, ngayon niya lang
Diba?
naisipan.
Oo nga eh.
Land there if you know it's good for you.
Tapos di naman maglalaro masyado. La-love life lang. Kita kami nun eh, nag-haran. Last month.
Oo.
Kasi yung isang streamer friend namin, galing Australia, bakasyon. Nagpunta kami sa kumain.
Ay, one team.
Squad ah.
Yeah.
Dito na ako sa dulo.
Second gun ba dyan?
Attention. First blood.
Dito sa kaliwa.
There's a skin bag here.
Coming.
All right then.
Round one. Beginning ring countdown.
We're in the ring, which means they're coming to us.
I hear them in front of me.
Over here. Being shot at.
Oh, hemlock nga pala gamit ko. Help!
Wait, lads.
Getting shot. Someone's got a death wish.
Firing.
I cracked the skin section.
Down.
This one.
Uy, hacker ata to, guys. Ito.
Sorry,
Feeling ko
sige
lang
ta.
ah. Feeling ko
Healing
lang.
lang ako.
He knows.
Back.
Nice. So, hindi siya hacker, okay.
Recklessly.
69 damage.
Baka enough, baka enough.
Dragon.
Healing.
Uy, habok. Thank you. Sarap naman ang loot mo, my friend.
Of course.
Hold on. Recharging shield.
We're in the ring, which means they're coming to us.
May medkit kayo. Palimos naman ako.
Syringes. Okay lang ba?
Sige, pwede na yun.
Ayan, medkit.
Thank
Ayun.
you.
I can use that.
100 Gcash na lang po.
Level 3.
Grabe, 100. Di ba pwedeng 50 lang?
No discount.
Is it?
No discount po.
Care package incoming. Hey, Taya.
I need this.
sight.
Natawa ko sa pangalan mo, Chas, talaga. Bakit?
Inayos na nga dali eh. Nakakainis. Yung quip
Ano ba
niya.
dapat yan?
Diba matulog na ka lang dati? Yun yung mali. Tapos
Ah!
inayos na nila. Matulog ka na lang. Nakakainis.
Matulog na ka lang.
Tulog na ka lang, guys.
Tulog na ka lang. Trash to ka, no? Tapos bigla ka sa bulol.
Tulog na ka lang.
Oy, 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 oy.
Standard stock here. Level 2. Helps keep that target
Extended heavy mag here.
Eh. Ayan.
Shotgun bolt here. Level 3.
Get this.
New level means I've got a
So
new
kawawa.
upgrade to pick. Got
Sure.
my upgrade, ladies.
Let's hunt over here.
Laban sa harap ka.
Kahit lang craft lang ako.
Cover me. Crafty.
Pero just... Ayan, dyan ka na pala. Sabi ko nga.
Kalimutan ko kung paano yung ano na ito. Ulti.
Ano nga ba yung ult niyan? Parang... May ipe-place ka raw na ano eh. Oo.
Firing on him. I cracked his
Down.
suit shield.
Oh shit, saglit lang. Ano pa kami? 2 business days.
Someone's got a death wish.
Putang
Top,
ina mo.
Aztec.
Malaglag ko pa.
No escaping me.
Got a fallback set.
Getting shot. Someone's got a death
On
wish.
the way.
Casting a shadow.
Okay, hell. I'm not gonna make it. Wait.
Down. Dead.
Grabe. Ubos.
Ayup. Grabe ka, Rex.
Last one's finished.
Kamba.
Now. Using a med kit.
Kailangan mo pa ba kami? May tao pa sa taas.
Reset tayo. Wala ka na mag-reset eh. Lang.
Sige.
I need energy.
I hear them.
Pasok tayo portal ko.
Hindi. Hold lang tayo.
Taking a
Ah,
ride
sige,
through the
sige.
void next.
Hanapin muna natin yung ano. Nasaan?
They're
Directly
above.
on top.
Above.
Let's go this way.
Above. Okay, above. We go above. Wait, I go above first. I check.
No, they're here.
Aray ko.
I'm spotted.
Aray ko! Gobi! Guys, wait lang. I'm solo.
Doon ko isa. Ah,
Crack si Loba. Careful.
akin yan. Ult ko yan.
Down.
Nice na. Ay, gago.
Tinoter si Tita. There. Nagliloot.
Here.
Queue somewhere. Ay, dito pa rin. Ooh,
The
and
hell, ayaw tumaba.
Anti. Isa pa.
Target here.
your party leader can queue the queue. Okay. So wala akong kailangan pindutin?
Wala.
Okay, sorry.
Okay lang. Wala. Huwag ka mag-alala. Almost 1 year kang wala. Okay lang yan.
Don't worry. I'll be the last thing
clips are what civvies use in their hair. This is called a magazine.
Introducing your champion.
Better find me before I find you.
Alright.
Oh, nagpalit na ako. One team, no?
Yep.
Right.
We should check out over there.
Kunin ko na yung gitna.
Gabi. May nag-get na dun yata. Ah ba?
Wala.
Energy ammo here. These
My
got
name
very
is
little
Sister.
projectile drop. Got an extended sniper mag here. Level 4.
Dito siya.
Attention. First blood.
No escape.
Mali ka.
First blood.
I
Tastes like victory.
need...
Round 1.
Have a countdown.
I want that. Give it to me.
Me that.
We should all get in the next ring.
I want habok.
Wait lang guys ah. Yes, Lavi? Ha?
Oh, they're here.
Hi!
They're here na.
Wait lang, may kalaban na!
Other side.
Apex!
Wait lang.
Daddy.
Reset.
Crack.
Balik.
Teka lang, daddy.
Nagdate.
Holy shit.
Baka may
Boy,
umikot.
turbo! Ikutan ko guys ah.
Sige,
Okay.
sige.
Rings nearby with 32 close.
Rivka! Hi!
Cracked one, 99.
Hi!
May umiikot din sila kanila.
Give my shield
Thank-
a recharge.
Down one,
Down.
last one.
Pupush ko to.
Okay.
Sa likod yata yung isa. Ayun na, andito. Crack.
Asan na? Aka na lang.
Behind us. Go. Last hit.
Wala na, patay na. Hayop, Triken. Thank you. Ay! May ibang team! Ah! Sino yun? Saan galing yung bumaril sa akin?
Give my shield a recharge.
The fuck?
Sorry, naka-charge na yung talon ko. Hindi ko na mabitaw.
What the shit? Wait lang ah, tatawagan ko lang ang aking baby girl.
Alright.
Saan natin pwede teleport si Tita? Sa labas.
Gago. Hi!
Oh!
Hi baby!
Ganun pala siya.
How are
Testing ko lang.
you? Where are you? Hi baby! I love you. Where is mommy? Rivka! Hi! I love you. Love you. I love you. I love you, baby. Sige na, daddy. In-game pa ako. Mwah! Blow a kiss. Mwah!
Champion's gone.
Mwah!
Wanted them for myself.
Mwah! Mwah! Happy? Happy, baby. I love you.
Half the squads are already dead.
Yay!
Supplies here. welcome.
Sige na,
Went up
Daddy.
a level. I earned this upgrade.
Bye-bye. Love you. Love you guys.
Got an upgrade. Moving
Ingat
out.
ah. Nasaan na kayo?
Clear.
Here po.
Okay po. Grabe, wala man lang ako ambag dun sa mga laban ninyo, man. Like, what the shit.
That's okay. Okay.
Eyes up. Crafty.
Sa baril lang.
That's okay. I wanna kill. Char.
Mid-range.
Tingnan na SB ako sa Warzone. Hindi ako i-apex kung ano. Kung okay pa yung
Apex.
kung okay yung Warzone. Wala naman kasi akong nakakalaro dito. Literal, wala.
Sobrang ya.
Longbow DMR here.
Ang lapit. Andito.
Please spawn. Coming.
Gagawin layo ko. Wait lang, masyado ako nag-enjoy mag-loot.
May balloon ka. Ayun, balloon ka na lang sa amin.
Sige, sige.
One squad dito ah. Teka, try ko akitin to. I make bulaga to them.
Found extra supply.
Andito na sila.
Wait lang ah, wait lang ah.
Okay. Sa'yo pagbabaril ka.
Dito sila.
Dito yung isa.
Pag tinignan ka, madadown to. Try mo. Parilin mo siya.
Matago pa ako eh. Para. Uy!
Sayang, nakita ako. Sayang.
Backing off a bit.
Ah! Nakita ko!
Got our fallback plan in place. Enemy
Naka-white lang yung isa. 80 health.
Teka, hakit tuloy ako.
Dali sa...
Nice! Tara, push. Go.
Gumagana ba yung teleport?
Yeah!
Just knocking at the door.
Yeah, push! Ultimate kaya. Yung isa andito ah.
Casting a shadow.
Mga naka-white lang to.
Reloading.
Plate crack. Here.
Crack.
Down
Last
the
one done.
target. Give my shields a recharge.
Tumakbo.
Eyes up.
still have a minute to mess around.
Sorry, Scrappy. Looks like you threw away your shot.
Shields are low. Recharging.
Tumakbo ang Ash.
Hit by rain and closing in 45.
Hindi, ito. Nandito sa akin, nandito sa akin.
Okay.
Saan?
Oh, baka iba.
Bye,
Ah, hindi,
bye.
left na. Ubus na.
That was the whole squad.
Alright.
No quarter given.
Close ring. We've got 30 seconds.
Wait lang. Uh-oh.
TikTok on the last seconds of our fallback.
Taking a knee. Patching up.
Shields recharging.
10 seconds. Rings close. Time to go. Using the spoil nexus.
Optics here.
Putik, ang layo pala na ito, gag.
Always better than iron sights.
The ring
Yung teleport. Oo.
to burn if we don't get inside.
Parang may naririnig ako.
Villain there. What if I poke them
Or si Tito lang
a
bro.
little bit?
Baka.
Care package being delivered.
Care package touching down. They usually carry rare platforms.
Load up. Crafting.
Phoenix kit here.
Papasok. Powder fight.
Uy, ang bilis oh.
Isa. Na... Nakasila kasi.
Okay, isa.
Nakisa.
Knock.
Killing.
Last one. Pressable ako. Kaninong...
Blast mo na, push na lang ako.
Akan yan, akan yan.